Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and this is a stationery haul plus unboxing my new stationery and organizing my decks. So enjoy the video and make sure you watch it till the end. So these are my new stationeries, and here another side they are my old stationeries. I'm going to organize them all and unbox them all. Yay! First of all, let us begin with this small box and let us open this box. I think I should go like this. I don't have a cutter actually, so I'm gonna use my scissors. And here it is. No, it's not yet open, but so it's a grip tape. You can see it's a grip tape. Now let me show you what's its function. So it's a very hard, strong double tape, right? It can even stick to walls. It can even, let me show you first. See, it is crystal clear and it can paste my phone to the wall, to the table. So I don't need a tripod and it will be of much use to me. Let me show you a piece. See, I'll take a very small piece. Like, I'm not gonna waste my tape. Okay, that's a mess. Okay. Now see, this is a small piece of tape. Now, let us stick to this particular wall. You can see. And now these are my earpods, and I'm gonna stick them. See, this is a well-working tape. This is the first product. Let us keep it this. Now I think I should go with this. These are actually not a great thing, but again a useful thing. It will be very useful for making short notes. Now अब idea लग गया होगा कि short notes बनाने में क्या काम आएगा. And this is A4 sheets. Oh no, like see, the packet is torn. And I had ordered actually 10 sheets. 100 sheets. Now let me check if they are 100 or not. I'm going to and yes, there are total 50 sheets. Yeah, right. Let us remove this pack and keep this with this. Now I'm gonna open this little pack and let us open an irregular way. So these are the cute transparent sticky flaps. So let me show you. Aren't they aesthetic? Like see, they are so much cute. See, wow, they're just wow. And I think there are around 200 sheets as mentioned in the pack. They are too cute and I just love these. Keep them aside now through this wrapper. Now we should open this large box this side. This is my huge need as my table was a mess every other day, so I needed this since long time. And here it is today. And this is a desk organizer. See, this is as cute as just see. So I'm gonna put my stationeries in this in later the video. Now the last and the most cute thing. Oh yeah, and I got this cute pastel highlighters. Super cute. Let me open these. They are like so cute. Let us test them, okay? Like see man, they are too cute. highlighters and I'm in love with them. मेरे पास जो जो स्टेशनरीज हैं लाइक माई ओल्ड वंस एंड माई न्यू वंस, और साथ साथ उनको ऑर्गेनाइज भी करूँगी। तो एक एक करके मैं यहाँ पे रखना शुरू करती हूँ। सो देखो, ये एक DIY होल्डर था, मैंने बनाया था खुद ही, लाइक मेरी सिस्टर की हेल्प से मैंने बनाया था। सो इसमें मेरे ये मार्कर्स हैं, ये न्यू पेन्स हैं, दीज पेंसिल्स, मतलब रेंडम, राइट। सो ये है। देन अगेन अ DIY, ये भी मेरी सिस्टर ने बनाया था अगेन। सो दीज हैज पेन्स। नाउ these are my pencil shades, right? I got them from a very sacred place, that is from Vaishno Devi. Got these from Vaishno Devi. Now another thing, these are my normal highlighters, like Faber-Castell highlighters. Then I have these normal sticky notes. You can see these are so normal. This cute pouch, which was my birthday gift. I have my, sparkle pens and then my fine liner pens inside this pouch. I'm gonna put them this side. Let me check if there are more stationeries. So let us begin organizing. So I think firstly I should organize my text organizer. So firstly I'll put my essentials, like daily essentials, which I use while taking lectures and while making notes. So these are pens, obviously the most essentials. I should put one black pen as well. Then these bold pens. This red pen. This marker. Now this is a scale. This is another scale which is of black, so normal. Now I have, guys, these small things which I'm going to put in one single compartment. Yeah. So you can see this is done. These pencils are remaining. Let me put them. This position is good. Next I should go with these markers of mine. Obviously they are going to be this compartment. Now I'm going to put these extra pens. Like I have so many of extra pens, but these are like additionals which I can use anytime whenever I'm making notes and suddenly my pen got finished. Okay, so I'm going to put these in this. Now these normal highlighters, I use them very, very less. So I'm going to put them in this particular compartment, and this is filled, but we're gonna do something and use our mind and put them like this. Scales. These are another extra pens. This is going to be full, and these are extra pencils, guys. This is a single refill. These are my extra pencils, and I think I should keep them in this one only. These extra pencils should be here, and extras are here. Now I should keep some fine liners which I use very often. Like I think some colors are there which I use. Now this pink color, this orange color, this brown color, this purple color. These are the colors which I use the most. Here are these. Like ये पूरा भर गया भाई. Now my cute pastel highlighters. It's their turn. But I'm going to put them in the middle. Oh shit. So guys, it is the turn for my sticky notes. Let us put them. You can see I'm putting my sticky notes. These are the square size, like 3 into 3 boxes. Now these only 2 sheets are remaining of them. These smaller sticky notes. I think this one is too large to be fit into this. Okay, we'll manage that. Now if something else can be put into it. Are these suitable? They are not. I think I'm gonna stick them like this on my table and use them. Now let's adjust the box. Okay, so this is ready and this is too much heavy, bro. Yeah. Now this one is done, so let us keep this aside. Here it is, it's done. Now let us come to this pouch, right? I have these glitter pens. And I'm going to put all of my glitter pens into this. These are my glitter pens. Now these are another fine liners. Yeah. Now I think this is the right time to keep these things at their places. So let us keep these things at their places right now. It is so okay, let's begin. This is the area where I'm going to put my all the stuff. So let's begin. Obviously, firstly I'm going to put the biggest thing. And let me tell you, I have put my AirPods in this particular section. Now this cute pouch, I'll not use the things in this pouch very regularly, so I think I should keep this in my drawer. And here it is. Now this particular tape, I'm going to put this in my drawer. Okay. This is nothing but some tissue papers. So I have managed them. This pouch. I think I should try keeping this memo pad in this particular section. Let me try. No. They are large. So I am basically left over with this and with this. These two things. This one is done. This one is done. The scissors, I'm going to put them in this. Okay, now this particular keychain, I'll paste it here. Right, I'll paste it here later. Now these cute sticky notes, I think I should keep them there. Okay, these are okay in the drawer. Now I have these pencil colors and I will use them while making notes. So I'm gonna put them here. Now you guys must be thinking what I will do with these DIYs. So I will make them mini dustbins as I keep on eating while studying. So these will work as mini dustbin. This is the final look of the table. This is the organizer. This is our waste boxes. This is a drawer, I mean. And now I will organize this and keep my laptop here.